What does it mean when a town's name is a riddle in itself? Irricana, short, sharp, and unusual, has the kind of name that makes you wonder how it came to be and why it stuck for more than a century. Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. The story starts on the edge of the open prairie, where Irricana grew up as a service point for farmers in the early 1900s. The railway brought people and goods, but water was always the question. Early settlers experimented with irrigation, carving out channels and testing ways to tame the dry land. The town that grew beside those efforts borrowed its identity directly from them. Irricana is not a word plucked from thin air. It's a shortened form of irrigation canals, a reminder in plain sight of what once seemed like the key to survival. Pieces of that story still stand today if you look closely. The old Canadian National Rail station, long gone, is remembered in the way the town still centers around the tracks that once defined its rhythm. The community hall hosts gatherings much like the first settlers' meetings more than 100 years ago, and every summer the town comes alive during Irricana Days, a tradition that connects the quiet present to its bustling, hard-working past. So the name that once puzzled newcomers is in fact the answer to its own mystery. Irricana exists because of water, or at least the hope of controlling it. The word is both a memory and a map, pointing back to the people who tried to make the prairies bloom. Today, Irricana is a small, steady community east of Calgary, carrying its history, not in monuments or headlines, but its name, its streets, and the way life continues at a measured pace. The canals may have faded, but the town remains, shaped by the same persistence that gave it a reason to exist in the first place. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.